If you've been searching for a portable way to stay connected anywhere you go, Cricket Wireless might just have what you need. Introducing the brand new Cricket GoLink 5G Hotspot in Dusk Blue, a sleek, compact device built to keep your Wi-Fi powered on the go. Let's break down what makes this little powerhouse worth a look. The GoLink 5G Hotspot gives you fast and reliable 5G connectivity, making it perfect for working remotely, streaming, gaming, or just staying online when you're traveling. Whether you're in the car, at a campsite, or setting up a quick office space, this device makes sure your connection doesn't slow you down. It supports up to 32 connected devices at once. That's phones, tablets, laptops, even smart TVs, all sharing one fast connection. So if you're traveling with friends or family, everyone can stay online without draining your phone's data. The GoLink 5G Hotspot also features a 2.4-inch color display, making it easy to check your signal strength, battery level, and data usage at a glance. Inside, it's powered by a 4,000 mAh battery, giving you up to 12 hours of continuous use on a single charge. That means you can get through your entire workday or road trip without constantly reaching for a charger. And yes, it works with Cricket's 5G and 4G LTE networks, giving you coverage and speed depending on what's available in your area. Now let's talk design. The GoLink 5G Hotspot is lightweight, portable, and comes in that clean dusk blue color, which makes it stand out from your average tech gadget. As for the price, it's available for $99.99 when you activate it on a Cricket data plan. And speaking of plans, Cricket offers data-only options, so you can choose what fits your needs. Whether you just need occasional internet access or you're streaming daily, you can match your plan to your lifestyle. Setup is simple too. Just power it on, connect your devices, and you're online. No complicated steps or extra equipment needed. Plus, because it's from Cricket Wireless, you get the reliability of the AT&T network, giving you solid nationwide coverage. If you've ever been frustrated by slow hotel Wi-Fi or you're tired of using your phone as a hotspot, this device could be a real game changer. To sum it up, the Cricket GoLink 5G Hotspot is fast, portable, and built for modern connectivity. With support for up to 32 devices, long battery life, and strong 5G performance, it's a great option for anyone who needs internet on the go. You can check it out now on Cricket Wireless. Come or visit your local Cricket store to see it in person. So what do you think? Is this the perfect travel hotspot? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech updates.